Managing Doberman Pinscher's fear of loud noises. Loud noises can be a common trigger for fear and anxiety in many dogs, including Doberman Pinschers. As a Doberman owner, it is important to understand how to handle this fear and help your furry friend overcome it. In this article, we will discuss some effective strategies to manage and alleviate your Doberman's fear of loud noises. 1. Understand the fear. Before we dive into the solutions, it's crucial to grasp the root of your Doberman's fear. Some common triggers for noise-related anxiety include thunderstorms, fireworks, gunshots, construction sounds, and vacuum cleaners. Identifying the specific noises that cause fear in your dog can help you better tailor your approach to tackling the issue. 2. Provide a safe space. Creating a safe and comfortable space for your Doberman is essential when dealing with fear of loud noises. This could be a designated room in your house or a cozy corner with your dog's favorite bed and toys. By having a safe space, your Doberman can retreat to it whenever they feel scared or overwhelmed by loud noises. 3. Gradual desensitization. One effective technique to help your Doberman overcome their fear of loud noises is through gradual desensitization. Expose your dog to the feared noise at a low volume or from a distance. Over time, gradually increase the volume or decrease the distance until your Doberman becomes desensitized to the noise. Pair this process with positive reinforcement, such as treats and praise, to create a positive association with the noise. For counterconditioning involves changing your Doberman's emotional response to loud noises from fear to a positive one. Play soothing music or white noise in the background to drown out the noise, or use calming techniques, such as aromatherapy with lavender oil or a calming pheromone diffuser. Pair these soothing stimuli with treats, toys, or a relaxing massage to help your Doberman associate the loud noises with positive experiences. 5. Consult a professional. If your Doberman's fear of loud noises is severe or persists despite your efforts, it may be beneficial to seek professional help. A certified dog trainer or a veterinary behaviorist can assess your dog's specific needs and provide guidance on a tailored training program. They can also offer additional techniques or medications that may help manage your dog's anxiety. 6. Avoid reinforcing fearful behavior. When your Doberman shows fear or anxiety during an episode of loud noises, it is crucial not to reinforce that behavior. Avoid comforting your dog excessively or giving them treats, as this might reinforce their fear. Instead, try to redirect their attention to a positive activity like playing with a toy or engaging in a training session. 7. Use behavior modification techniques. Implementing behavior modification techniques can help reshape your Doberman's response to loud noises. One commonly used technique is known as "look at that." Whenever your dog notices a noise that typically triggers fear, say "look at that" and immediately reward them with a treat when they turn to look at you. This technique can help shift their focus from the noise to you and reinforce positive behavior. 8. Exercise and mental stimulation. Regular exercise and mental stimulation are essential for any dog, including Doberman Pinschers. Providing your Doberman with ample physical and mental outlets can help reduce their overall anxiety levels, making them more resilient to loud noises. Engage in daily activities such as walks, obedience training, puzzle toys, and interactive play sessions to keep your Doberman's mind occupied and their energy well spent. 9. Consistency and patience. Dealing with a Doberman's fear of loud noises may require time, effort, and plenty of patience. Consistency is key in implementing the mentioned techniques and ensuring progress. Be patient with your Doberman's gradual improvement, even if the results are not immediate. Celebrate small victories and continue to provide a supportive and understanding environment for your furry friend. In conclusion, managing a Doberman Pinscher's fear of loud noises requires understanding, patience, and a variety of techniques. By providing a safe space, using desensitization and counter-conditioning, seeking professional help when necessary, avoiding reinforcement of fearful behavior, utilizing behavior modification techniques, and ensuring regular exercise and mental stimulation, you can help your Doberman overcome their fear and lead a happier, more relaxed life. Remember, every dog is different, so it's important to tailor your approach to meet your Doberman's specific needs.